What's up, guys? Welcome to MotivTraders, and today is another recap videos of June 15, Thursday, and this is a pretty funny day for some reason. So, long story short, I had some internet connection, so I had some morning trade of DFLY, LEJU, and SOFO, or however you want to call it. And it once I buy it, it just my internet connection just kind of runs out, and then I'm back in like 1 minute later, and I'm having a difficult internet connection for some reasons, and I really have that. I'm not sure why it happens today, so it's kind of awkward, and so most of this trade is early in the mornings, and is when I got all this three trade DFLI, which is on the break of the rewrap, which is somewhere over here, right? And then it came back down. My internet connection got lost, stop out, and then another one, same thing. Liju got in, didn't break, got out, and then this is another one, Sofa. Okay, pretty much the same thing is going on. Got in, somehow it just nothing is working, and I mean also I couldn't take any more trade because I had internet connection, and it just once I buy it, I don't know what happened. A few seconds, a minute later, it just you know I might get disconnected again. So that's why I once I got three loss, I ease off. I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm not gonna take any more trade. My internet connection is just not going that well. The weather's out. It's nice outside, but it just for some reason my internet connection is just not going with me, and so I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I'm just gonna go on with my day, do some of my stuff, and hopefully come back either afternoon or you know and see if there's any potential. So I got back in like the afternoon, right, and checking the markets, and I don't see anything, but there is one I see, which is EDTX, but this thing is like it's like 30, $34 or something. When I see it, I'm like, I'm definitely not trading this one. Like, this can easily blow up my account, or easily I can make a good profit. But my strategy is it doesn't work something like that. It just I have traded back in the past, but it just never worked out for me. So I'm probably not gonna trade stock like that anymore. So yeah. So when the market closed, right, I had a good. I was actually waiting for a good symbol because I was testing my internet connection. It just there's no more lag, and it's just going well. So, wow, look at this. $6 all the way six. God. Anyways, let's get back. So, once the market opened, I was like, you know what, trying to find the stocks that could potential make a hit, and eventually SPCY, it came up onto my scanners. Something about Virgin Galactic commercial space tourism flight or something. I didn't really read it that much. So for Momo scanners, usually I get in. If it doesn't work, I get out. So quick in and out. And once I saw this commercial SPCY, I like the chart. I just immediately clicked buy, and I got filled 1,000 shares at $4.34, and it was kind of like struggling up and down in this area, right? I got in pretty much on over here. I think it was this candle. It did went to the low of low of you know, which is about 421. It did went to the low of 421. But my stop loss was kind of like at like 415. So anything below 415 is, is I think I want to get out. And I'm risking about, you know, um, about 250 to 200, the risk. But there's so much potential on if I'm reading, but it's kind of struggling. And I did, I think I might did a mistake. So it did came up to the high of 449, 449, okay, which is here, 449, okay. What am I doing? Sorry guys, 449, okay. It did came to the high of 449, which eventually I always like to take portion profit. And once I took a profit, it kind of went back down a little bit, and then it just kind of goes up, up the uphill. And I saw accumulate some more profits after that. And I didn't want to risk a lot of. If this is in the morning, I might have hold it a little bit longer. But since it's like after hours, which I don't really like to trade that much, and I'm like, what, I'm just gonna take the rest of the position out on the break of 5, and calling it a day. So I'm up $66.53. I mean, I was down like 250, 260 in the morning time, which it does, the connection just kind of messed me up. So, but anyways, I'm happy. I make it most of my profits back, and I'm up $66.53, and I'm gonna call it. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you tomorrow at the live stream. Peace.